In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text fade in Wix. Now, if you take a look at my website right here, you will see that I have two different texts. And the reason for that is because there's two different ways you can make text fade in Wix. And in the next 2 or so minutes, I'm going to show you how to do both types of text fade. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor. And then once it loads up, I want you to click on the text they want to make fade and then click on it once more to highlight it. Once you've done that, a bunch of different options are going to appear either to the top of the text or below it, as it is in my case, depending on the position of the text. And then the button you want to click on is this animation button right here. Click on that. And now you can see the different types of animation. So the fade animation is currently only available for the entrance and the scroll animations. The entrance basically refers to when the user first comes across the text. For example, this text is on my homepage, so the user will come across it right away, and that will be an entrance animation. So when it comes to the scroll, it will basically make the text act, fade in and out when the user starts to scroll up and down, depending on their actions. So I'm going to set this quickly and then show you what it looks like. So let's do the entrance one. Fade is right at the top here, so you can play to see what it looks like. This is the default one. So if you're not happy with how it looks, you can customize it by pressing the customize button at the bottom there. And then here you can change the duration. And then if you want to, you can also add a delay. So for example, I'm going to add a delay just to show you how that works. And then once you're happy with the settings, click on the X button to save. And then let me show you how to do this one right here. So click on animation again, and then click on scroll, and then find the fade option, which is right here. And then you want to press on customize right here to customize it. And then the animation, I'm going to set it to out because my text is too far up on the page. And when the user is scrolling, there's nothing to fade into as they scroll upwards. So set it out and then preview on scroll, make sure that's enabled, and then save your settings. And then let's preview the website to see the changes and if they've taken effect. So as you can see, because there's a delay, this will appear now 2 seconds later. And then because this is a scroll animation, it's only going to start fading away once I start scrolling away from it. As you can see, it is slowly starting to fade away. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text fade in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.